Good morning. Did you sleep well? Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Good morning. Yes, I slept very well. Good morning. Yes, I slept very well.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry. Yes, I am very hungry.
What do you want for breakfast? What do you want for breakfast?
I want some bread, please. I want some bread, please.
With butter or jam? With butter or jam?
With butter, please. With butter, please.
Do you want some eggs? Do you want some eggs?
No, thank you. No, thank you.
Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea?
Yes, please, with sugar. Yes, please, with sugar.
We need to go shopping today. We need to go shopping today.
What do we need to buy? What do we need to buy?
We need milk and eggs. We need milk and eggs.
Can we buy some fruit too? Can we buy some fruit too?
What fruit do you like? What fruit do you like?
I like apples and bananas. I like apples and bananas.
Do you want to help me cook dinner? Do you want to help me cook dinner?
Yes, I can help you. Yes, I can help you.
What are we having for dinner? What are we having for dinner?
Are we having pizza? Are we having pizza?
No, we are having chicken. No, we are having chicken.
I like chicken very much. I like chicken very much.
With rice or potatoes? With rice or potatoes?
I prefer rice, please. I prefer rice, please.
What would you like to do this weekend? What would you like to do this weekend?
Can we go to the park? Can we go to the park?
That sounds like a nice idea. That sounds like a nice idea.
Can we take our dog too? Can we take our dog too?
Yes, the dog needs exercise. Yes, the dog needs exercise.
I can throw the ball for him. I can throw the ball for him.
What day is better, Saturday or Sunday? What day is better, Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday is better for me. Saturday is better for me.
What about in the morning or afternoon? What about in the morning or afternoon?
Morning is cooler and nicer. Morning is cooler and nicer.
Should we have a picnic there? Should we have a picnic there?
Yes. I love picnics. Yes. I love picnics.
What food should we bring? What food should we bring?
Sandwiches and fruit are good. Sandwiches and fruit are good.
And some cold drinks too? And some cold drinks too?
Yes, it might be warm. Yes, it might be warm.
Should we invite your friend Tom? Should we invite your friend Tom?
Yes, that would be fun. Yes, that would be fun.
I can call his mother later. I can call his mother later.
He really likes our dog. He really likes our dog.
Do you need new toys for the park? Do you need new toys for the park?
My old ball is still good. My old ball is still good.
We can buy ice cream there. We can buy ice cream there.
I would like chocolate ice cream. I would like chocolate ice cream.
The park has a new playground. The park has a new playground.
I want to try the new swings. I want to try the new swings.
We should wear comfortable shoes. We should wear comfortable shoes.
I will wear my sports shoes. I will wear my sports shoes.
It is getting late. It is getting late.
Yes, it is already dark outside. Yes, it is already dark outside.
Are you tired? Are you tired?
A little bit, but I'm okay. A little bit, but I'm okay.
What would you like for dinner? What would you like for dinner?
Can we have soup tonight? Can we have soup tonight?
Yes, I can make vegetable soup. Yes, I can make vegetable soup.
I like your vegetable soup. I like your vegetable soup.
Would you like bread with it? Would you like bread with it?
Yes, please. Bread is good with soup. Yes, please. Bread is good with soup.
What did you do today? What did you do today?
I played with my friend in the garden. I played with my friend in the garden.
Did you have a good time? Did you have a good time?
Yes, we had a lot of fun. Yes, we had a lot of fun.
What game did you play? What game did you play?
We played with the ball. We played with the ball.
Do you have clean clothes for tomorrow? Do you have clean clothes for tomorrow?
Yes, my blue shirt is clean. Yes, my blue shirt is clean.
Would you like to read a book tonight? Would you like to read a book tonight?
Yes, I have a new book about animals. Yes, I have a new book about animals.
That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting.
It has many pictures of wild animals. It has many pictures of wild animals.
What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal?
I like lions the best. I like lions the best.
They are very beautiful animals. They are very beautiful animals.
Yes, and they are very strong. Yes, and they are very strong.
We can go to the zoo someday. We can go to the zoo someday.
I would really like that. I would really like that.